nyinyo miolo godo omenda mabiro chiwo thuolo ne ohelni matindo mondo dongre e thurka. Noyango ni bengi maduong' ma pachoka Central Bank of Kenya oseduoko piny kwan atamalo mar nyinyo hola kowuok atamalo 12.75 nyaka atamalo 12 e dwe mar aboro, ka koro bengi mamoko onego duok piny kwan atamalo margi mar 20. Ne oloso e kinde romo mar johelni matindo kod nyisruok manobagi e kar romo mar KICC, kolero ni okang' mar duoko piny nyinyo biro kelo fuong'ruok ne ohelni mathoth kendo dongo uchumi ma pachoka.
Small businesses struggle to access 29 billion pay.
Through intervention that was launched in 2020 and as an emergency measure and with a seed capital of only 3 billion shillings, Your Excellency, which ring-fenced to provide guarantees to support businesses at the height of the devastating effects of COVID-19 and implemented through 7 banks, the banking sector has been able to extend loans amounting to slightly over 6 billion shillings distributed in all our 47 counties. Of noting, Your Excellency, is the fact that about 70% of the beneficiaries of these loans are MSMEs that would otherwise have not received loans due to perceived risks. Therefore, the National Treasury lauds your administration's commitment to supporting MSMEs growth and development as envisioned in bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
According to the central bank, our banks provided Kenya shillings 783 billion in loans to MSMEs in 2023, which represents an increase of about 75 billion. As we launch the MSME Accelerated Program today, let us reflect and collaborate in advancing its stated aim of boosting small business capabilities through comprehensive assessments, advanced training, and tailored support from public and private sector partners.